Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. Today I have my brand new Alpharex headlights and taillights for my 2015 Tacoma. Normally I only do videos on my EVs when I'm shooting car videos or whatever, but yeah, we do have a 2015 Tacoma as well. Anyways, these are the Nova Series black headlights, and yeah, these are absolutely amazing. Anyways, I'm not going to show a video on installing the headlights because there's plenty of videos of that on YouTube, so I'll just do a before and after. I'll go ahead and show me maybe putting in the tail lights, but it's only like 3 bolts and they're plug and play. But these are the brand new Prismatic tail lights, and I know these are kind of new, so maybe you'll want to see what they look like more in depth. But anyways, I'll leave links for everything in the description, so I'll stop talking and let's go to the garage. All right, guys. All right, you guys, in the garage here. Let me move out the Rivian here, and then we're gonna go ahead and bring in the Tacoma, take one more look at the lights really quick, and then yeah. All right, guys. All right, so here I am in the garage, and look at the old headlights. Look how oxidized they are, and just, yeah, yellowing. I even tried to wrap them later with a piece of paint protection film, but it was already too late. These things started to yellow and get ugly not even a full year after. And really quick, here are the headlights. Sorry about the reflection, but yeah, Nova Series, Alpha Black, and yeah, there's the Prismatic tail lights. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start right now. Alright, and as you can see, these look way better. Super simple, plug and play. The DRL is super bright, the headlights are super bright. Love it, way better than that crap that I had, but you know, that's what you get for trying to save a couple of bucks. Should have bought these a long time ago. Alright, so I'm just gonna flip the car around here and let's go ahead and put in the Prismatic tail lights. Alright, so it's just 2 10mm bolts. This one here. Okay. All right, guys, that is it. We are done. D-U-N. We are absolutely done. The truck is filthy. I need to wash it. But anyways, that was just to show you the Prismatic taillights here by Alpharex. Super simple. It'll take you 10 minutes to install them. You saw it's only two 10mm bolts, plug and play, and you're good to go. So what I'm gonna do right now is set up the camera so you can see what it's like with the running lights, the brake lights, the reverse lights, and then yeah, that's it. So hope you guys like these. I'll leave links in the description below for you to buy them, and that's it. Quick video. All right, guys. Okay, with all the lights off, here's the brake light. Off. Brake light. Okay, holding the brake, reverse. Back in park. Okay, I'm gonna turn on the lights and you'll see the startup animation. Pretty cool. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Hazard lights. Brake light. Reverse with all the lights on, holding the brake. And that is it, guys. All right, I'm all done here. Yeah, give me a like and subscribe. And yeah, Prismatic and the Nova Series Alpharex headlights and Prismatic brake lights, tail lights. Super awesome. I'll leave links for everything in the description. And yeah, give me a like, homies. Laters.